Breaking news brought to you by Dope Stuff TV. Ryan King, Jamaican dancehall artist, was said to be the world's smartest man from the dunce thugs. Yes, there's a lot of thugs out there. This man was said to be officially stated by the Guinness World Record the world's smartest dunce thug because of his astonishing discovery of a special bird. Here's the word.
Unreckonably.
Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.